Hey, what's going on, guys? Back at it again. Hey, just wanted to stop by the store here behind me, Five Below, uh, and see if there's any price inflation here. Um, they say everything's $5 and below, so let's check it out. Also, let's see if I can get this this video done in 5 minutes or below. Give me a second. Be right with you. Five Below is hiring. Got things $4.25. There is no price inflation here as I see so far, and this is just before even walking into this joint. Man, look at this. It's gym stuff. $5. Gym mat to do yoga. Athletic equipment. Well, balls. Look. Easter egg basket. $1.50. Look. Look how cool, people. You can get stuff here to give gifts to family members, birthday parties, friends. Oh, even buy stuff for yourself. Man, shoot, man. This bag right here for $5 is not that bad. No lie. Beach bag. Pretty cool. Towels, $5. I mean, come on, people. Shirts, $5. Water shoes, Crocs, $5, people. Man, look at this. Sweaters, $5. Hair products, scrunchies and stuff like that, $3.25, people. Sunglasses, $5. Girl shades. Have girl shoes, $5. Girls makeup product, $5. I mean, damn, you guys can't beat this store actually. Yeah.
They have everything nice.
I mean, lip gloss,
set up.
$2.49. I mean, these prices are not bad, man. For $5, they what? They actually fix everything, you
They
said?
actually fixed everything. And they have it nicely set up.
$5 socks. Yeah, look at this. Gym equipment. I mean, gym clothes. $5 pillows. Look, they even have Five Below stuff for your furry animals, pets. For your loved ones, your fur animals. I mean, people, there's a lot to shop here for $5 and below, man. I mean, damn. Well, this store is not that bad on inflation. Well, except this wall back here. Five and Beyond is called. Yeah, shelves for your home. This is the Five and Beyond wall. Well, I know I said I was going to try to make this video in less than 5 minutes, but apparently there's a lot of stuff to cover, so I do apologize, people. I mean, PC headphones, $12. Man, they have really remodeled this whole stuff. Canvases, painting products. Shoot, candy? For you sweet tooth people. Well, there you go, people. Five Below. I mean, a good store to come and shop at, man. Everything for $5 and below. Except that back wall. It's like $10 to $12 products. 8, 10, and 12, I think it is. So, man, come check out Five Below near you if you guys have one. And I do appreciate you tuning in. Whoever's new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will post another video soon, so I do appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate the love, man. You guys are doing awesome. Appreciate the comments, appreciate the interaction that we're doing through the comments, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Have a great day.